Rachel. What are you working on?
Inventory of these TRP wheel accessory kits. They are a new expansion in TRP's all trucks parts offerings.
I can help you with that.
Oh, that'd be great. Thanks. These kits are great for someone looking to add a little something to the look of their truck.
Yes, the TRP wheel accessory kits are going to give a finished look to our customers' front and rear wheels, all in one box.
And TRP has 4 different options.
They do. The first one is the complete chrome metal kit. This contains 2 front and 4 rear hubcaps and 60 chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. The stainless steel kit contains 2 front and 4 rear hubcaps and 60 chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. The third option is a 60 pack of chrome ABS 33mm push-on nut covers. Finally, the fourth option is a chrome ABS kit that has 2 front and 4 rear top hat hubcaps. This has 60 chrome ABS 33mm threaded nut covers.
With everything in one kit, the customer won't need to worry about forgetting anything. Also, because TRP offers these high-quality kits in a wide range of styles with competitive pricing, there's an option for every customer.
True. Plus, there's an easy add-on sale for everything from brakes to wheel ends to customers looking to enhance the look of their truck. You know what? We should make sure the truck sales, especially used trucks, know about these too.
You're right. These are also easy to install, which our customers are going to love.
Now you're thinking. Let me help you put these away and we can talk about other customers who we should let know about these kits.
That'd be great. Thanks for your help.